conversation. Talking about opinions on a book friends can help you when you're having problems. They're also there to listen when you want to talk about your feelings and opinions. Hey John.
Hey Aria. Good to see you.
How's it going?
Yeah, good. Working a lot. And you?
I went back to college.
How did you feel about the book?
So I don't know what you thought about the book, but I had a lot of mixed feelings about it.
Oh, like what?
Well, I thought the main character's situation was interesting, but his attitude toward women bothered me.
I can see that. It seemed like he had some problems with women.
I would have liked to understand how that started. I mean, the book didn't go into too much detail about why he felt that way.
I agree with that. I think the author could have handled that part better. I did enjoy the descriptions though.
Oh yes, the writing was beautiful. That just made me more disappointed in the character.
Maybe the character would have been easier to understand if the writing had been simpler. It seemed like the author spent a lot of time on the descriptions, when he could have spent more time on the character's thoughts.
I'm not sure if I agree with that. I just think that the writing could have been more thoughtful, while still being beautiful, if that makes sense.
That does make sense. I think maybe the problem for me is just that not much happened.
You're right about that. There wasn't much of a story.
I still enjoyed parts of the book though.
Oh, I did too. And I appreciate hearing your point of view. Like, share, subscribe, please.